Tired of credit card debt looming over you? Let's squash it faster by making extra payments on your Apple Card directly from your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. You'll recognize it by its colorful icon, usually found on your home screen. Once in the Wallet app, locate your Apple Card. The card displays your current balance right underneath the card image. Tap on your Apple Card to open its detailed view. You'll now see all sorts of information related to your card. Look for the Pay button, which is usually located prominently at the top or bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap it. On the payment screen, you'll see a few options. You'll see Pay Minimum Due, Pay Current Downs, and Pay Different Amount. Tap on Pay More to make an additional payment beyond your statement balance. Now, carefully enter the amount you want to pay. Remember, this is on top of any scheduled payments you might have already set up, so only enter the exact amount you'd like to add. Before finalizing, double-check the payment amount to ensure it's correct. Once you're satisfied, tap the Pay Now button, which appears at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone will now prompt you to authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Depending on your iPhone model and settings, use your preferred method to authorize the transaction. You'll see a confirmation screen indicating that your payment was successful. You'll also receive a notification confirming the payment, and that's it. You've successfully made an extra payment on your Apple Card, bringing you one step closer to being debt-free.